If you're experiencing login issues with QuickBooks 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that the caps lock key is not enabled. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you're using QuickBooks Online, clearing your browser's cache can resolve many login issues. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select Cache and Cookies. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions or try logging in using a different browser to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Check for server issues. Visit the QuickBooks status page to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online before attempting to log in again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems with QuickBooks 2026. If issues persist, consider reaching out to QuickBooks support for further assistance.